In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the default status option in a Notion database. This helps every new item start with the status that best matches your workflow. Let's get started. Open Notion and go to the database where you want to change the default status. If your database doesn't already have a status property, click the plus button, add a new property, and choose Status. Click the status property name at the top of the database, then select Edit Property to open the status settings. Here, you'll see all of your existing status options. You can add a new status by clicking Add option, entering a name, and choosing a color if you'd like. To make a status the default for new database entries, hover over the status option you want to use, open its Options menu, and choose Set as Default. You can also drag and drop status options to reorder them, or remove any status you no longer need to keep your workflow organized. Close the property settings when you're finished. From now on, every new item you add to the database will automatically use your selected default status. That's how to change the default status option in Notion. Thanks for watching.